Hey everybody, we're in Largo, Florida, me and Ruthie. November the 19th at the Southlandz, 18th annual Southlandz model show. So we're gonna go in here. We got our bracelets. Got your bracelet on?
Well,
no, where'd it go? Got my bracelet, it's right there, there it is. Got our bracelets, we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Come on.
Shout out who you are.
They're at the movie theater, but they're all pointed in the wrong direction. They're not really interested in the movie. This guy forgot to latch his hood.
Oh, this is backwards, huh? Yeah. Oh, that right there.
I'm not exactly sure who this is.
1959, they took these off, and it was just a regular trunk. But they left all this on, they took the logos off the hood, straight hood, but basically, those are only distinctive differences between the 58 and the 59. Now the 59 and the 60.
Okay, in approximately 15 minutes, we're going to start the Dealer's Choice Battle for the Dealer's Choice Awards. So please.
I'm going to get on. Yeah, me too.
Kill yourself, man.
Well, I put a mask on.
Oh yeah, you have to for the rest of the life.
Probably not. My wife is 55 years old, and I've seen mid-20-somethings.
What about putting it in like to the back?
I can get to the back. So long, I'm sorry? All right, hold on. He was doing registration. Mike, someone needs registration. Someone needs, he was asking for registration. I never had the hood open. I'm not sure.
First still?
Yeah,
Ruthie? Look.
I know, I saw it.
Okay, I've never seen it. What do you got?
There's a 48 Cadillac.
I just got back. Yeah, like water. Yeah. Can you show it?
Yes. I'm out in Georgia.
Who's this? What's your name?
I'm Hector Guadalupe.
Hector, hold on, Hector, so you can see yourself. It makes you feel so much like you're really talking. So hang on, Hector. Okay, wait, give this, my camera is,
I'm sorry.
it doesn't know what to focus on.
It doesn't know
So
what to
everybody
focus.
that's watching this video is like, this is the usual.
There we go. There we go. We're getting a little closer.
Hector, what'd you build?
I built this foos.
You built the foos. Did you take it to
Foos.
Atlanta?
I did. I was in
saw it
Atlanta.
in Atlanta.
And
It was
I
on the
saw
table
your
with my
It was
stuff.
on the table.
I thought it was.
And I saw you there, and you commented on the foos. And
I said it's a true foos build.
True foos build.
You stayed with the
theme.
absolute theme of the foos build.
Yes, sir.
Well, Hector, man, what in the world? That's awesome. When I saw the truck, I knew that was the truck I saw in Atlanta.
I was hoping
I
that you
absolutely
would
knew it. Yep.
Yes.
The bed rails are.
The bed rails are foil.
That is foil?
Yeah, bed rails are foil,
Okay.
and the bed is hand painted 3 different colors to make it look a realistic wood.
Well, you did your paint finish
Right,
is
it's acrylic.
as good as I've ever seen.
I appreciate it. That's
said it's acrylic?
2K, that's 2K clear.
Uh-huh.
2K.
Over what?
Clear coat. Over Tamiya black.
Tamiya black.
Tamiya flat black.
Yeah, because it's clear anyway.
Absolutely.
Well, you did it right, and your plug wires are to scale.
To scale.
Absolutely. Where do you get your plug wires?
Well,
Matter of fact, we were looking for a guy. He's not here
the
today.
guy's not here today. I forgot his name.
They're
not
absolutely
here.
to scale.
And I came here to buy all his plug wires because up in South Carolina they don't have plug wires.
Are you kidding?
Sir, I'm serious. Because I moved to South Carolina.
Yeah. Well, it is amazing.
I appreciate it.
And I'm so glad I got to see it again because it caught my eye on the table at
Also, the
Atlanta.
Mustang caught your eye with the straight.
That was
six.
you too?
That's mine too.
Oh, I got to get you back on camera. So this is the guy on the. Go back and watch the Acme video. I said, look at this. Me and my friend. Well, I don't remember if it was Rob or Chris. Anyway, we were looking at the cars on the table, and there was a Mustang, and I said, look at this. This is cool. Somebody's put a straight 6, but it was a kit.
It's a kit.
It came like that.
It's an AMT Fast and Furious kit. It comes with 2 engines.
I got corrected in the comment section that that's a kit that they sold that kit. So
Absolutely,
yeah,
absolutely.
my commenters really know how to correct me, don't you guys? Hector, great job.
Nice. Thank you.
You're fine. You're fine. Go ahead.
All right, we're about to finish registration. We're about to close down all of our registration. We're about to be handing out the ballots in the next 10 minutes. We need to recognize the winners. Also,
Cielo.
lunch is ready. So if you're hungry,
I turned it down.
I think that's right.
Look how chopped the top is on that one. You can't even see over the engine.
What's up with this stuff? That's for all your what car it is and the jumping class.
Okay. When I first saw it, I'm like, what's the word value? For some reason,
That pit right there is an original fit. That does fit. That's older than I am.
I brought a model today that was like 3 miles.
Check out the Pro Street truck. Which one? My Pro Street truck. That's the only I had.
Joe Leckie, are you going to give a shot? Joe Leckie. Joe Leckie. Let me borrow you on stage, please.
Watch people. It's entertainment. You get on 95 and oh my god, it's like mostly 95. You can do 80 in the express, but there's people doing 90 over in the regular lanes, and there's also people going like 50. So it's just really dangerous. You gotta keep the lane. I mean, you gotta look for a time because people are just flying and beating them down. Yeah, I mean, I drive, Alligator Alley. It's pretty tame. My pick and choose. It's a resident. All those are bikes. They're on like these 4-wheel things and they're doing wheelies. They go to South Beach and they just go down there, red lights. What a joke. They run every single red light. And the cops standing there watching them too. Just like ants.
Where they struck?
They always seem to come from where we're at is that's the bridge that goes over south. I know they shut down the beltway. They probably got this way.
Okay, remember at 12 noon we have a very important, huge announcement. Guys, it's that time now. I want you to see this young man in orange. We're going to be handing out the ballots right now for the contest. Guys, we need your help to be able to pick the winners.
Trail in the back end.
Swap card?
They're just going along the road.
Yeah, I use those on all the cars. Yeah. Most of them.
Yeah, but they're going kind of slow. And I just rode right through it. I just rode right through it, but I was like, you know what? It's like, I got a PDP from
I send it back down. Back Oh, yeah. Someplace. Yeah. That's it. 2,000. Yeah. And I'll go up. Where do you source the motors? 4,000. Die cast 20. 2,000. Okay. 2,000. 36,000. $4 grand. Yeah. And then 6 grand. It's the thing that amazes me about those engines. How much they got going on. Holy smokes. I'm ready to buy. Then I don't know if you.
I believe this car was also in Atlanta. It's a large scale, very large.
Look at this sack.
Okay, if you're in the contest area, we'd like you to be useful. So if you would, please get a ballot and a pen. This is how these cars are chosen for winners. It's a viewer's choice award show. It means that you, the author, you, the show attendee, are going to help us decide. Actually, we're going to decide who the winners are. So please come out here and vote. And we're going to get this knocked out as quickly as possible. Also, guys, we want to put a big round of applause in the hand for Slick's Decals. It's the first time they've been here at the show. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's everyone here. Big round of applause. You guys are doing great, but they can do better. Make sure you check out their stuff. They've got an incredible selection of decals, resin bodies. You definitely want to check out. Then here's real quick. We are desperate for more items for our 3 o'clock auction. Guys, I'm friends here. This is Greece. And I just wanted to do some trailers, so I might be videoing. So we also have an incredible selection of decals from Slicks that we're going to be auctioning off as well.
All right, so hope you enjoyed that look at all these fancy little cars they had. It's a small show, but there was some great stuff. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. They said that this was a biannual show, that they're now going to change it just to an annual show. I'm not sure why, but anyway, so I think they said in May, every year in May, they'll have the show here, I think in this same church. Ruthie's pushing my hand up. My videographer coordinator is saying, you need to have it up like this, Daddy. Is that better? But so we will catch you later. Don't forget to subscribe if you hadn't already. Check out Hobby Nut Models, and let me know what you think about some of these cars. There's some great stuff. You guys take care, and see ya. Bye. Say bye.